What's wrong?
This one is white as red.
What's wrong with the chicken, Baba?
This chicken is dirty.
It's dirty, is it? Oh, I don't eat if it's dirty.
This one is warm.
Okay, don't eat that one then. Just say hi.
Hi!
Oh, shut up.
You said a toad. You said a toad.
Louis, you just had your dinner, yeah? Okay, hold this one up lang. This Louis is gonna take it. Silly boy. Silly boy.
Here.
Come on now, because we have to leave now at barbecue.
Mommy.
Here.
Oh, wait.
Louis, ate.
Mommy!
Come na, please.
Help. Ow. Ow.
Oh! Sige na. Eat na. Finish it up so we can go. Then you go. You know, friendship yan sila. Best friend eh. Oh.
He leave me.
Did he?
No.
The nurse?
No.
Oh, no, no.
The nose is there. The nose is there.
The nurse is there. Sige na. No, this is yours. You want to give to Louis? Give to Louis, ate. This one more here.
This is so dirty.
It's okay. Louis will eat it.
It's
No,
dirty.
it's not dirty, Baba.
Mommy,
Lord. Here. Get one. No? Alright. There you go, Louis. I told you. There you go. Today is Saturday, guys, and Daddy Mike is not here. So, yung mga friends ni Daddy Mike from Melbourne and Sydney, they're up here in Gold Coast para mag-play ng golf. And walang maraming occasion na nakakapunta yung mga kaibigan niya dito. So, Daddy Mike decided to go. Kakaalis lang niya mga, 2 hours ago. Did I just leave 2 hours ago? We are going to the hospital. At first, now we'll go to the hospital to see, visit my tita and my tito kasi yung tito ko daw, he has a fractured shoulder. So, nasa hospital sila ngayon. So, we'll go visit and supposedly, ay mag-sleep over sana kami sa bahay ng tito ko tonight. Since Daddy Mike, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, anong oras na ngayon pupunta ka? Tapos, uuwi ka mamaya, mag-commute ba? Tapos, malayo yun, guys. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, doon ka na lang. Bukas ka na lang umuwi kasi very dangerous na mag-commute late at night. So,
What, Mike?
yeah, sabi ko, mag-stay na lang siya doon. But sabi niya,
The witchy.
sabi niya, he might come home anyway. So, we'll see how it goes. But for us, sabi ko na sa tito ko na aalis kami. Ay, doon kami mag-sleep over tonight.
Draw the paper.
But, alam niyo ba guys, itong youngest namin, paano to kung doon kami mag-sleep over? Kawawa naman to.
The paper.
Yes, baby girl. Yeah. Kawawa naman to kung maiwan dito siya lang mag-isa. And, Daddy Mike said, he'll be fine. You know, of course, we'll feed him. And then, we'll come home tomorrow morning. But obviously, he'll just be sad. But for some reason, guys,
I'm sad.
You're sad, are you? Don't be sad. Be happy, okay? Parang anak ko na talaga tong si Louie, guys. Kasi, kanina, sabi ko, yun na nga yung mag-sleep over kami. But then, sabi ko, kawawa naman sa tinitigan ko si Louie ba? Tapos, tinititigan niya ako, guys. Yung heart ko man ay nag-melt. Kaya, nag-change yung mind ko. Sabi ko sa tito ko na uwi na lang kami kahit late. Kasi, naawa ako na maiwan siya dito ba na wala kami. Even though, overnight, tulog naman kami, di ba? Uwi kami in the morning. But, still, yung aking heart, guys. And, can you imagine? Pag-start pa lang, sabi ko, ayoko ng pet. Ayoko ng puppy. And, ngayon, ako yung very attached. Well, actually, we are all attached to him. But for me, feel ko na anak ko talaga siya na maiiwan. Baby, say hi, baby. Say hi sa my baby. Paawa-awa ng mukha, guys.
Mama,
say hi, guys. I'm getting big now. Oh my goodness, you're so big. You're so big.
You go
Ayan. May ano sa ilong. Okay, ang atin niya. Laro ng blue tack. Nalagyan ng blue tack ang ilong. No. Kaya kawawa naman. Kaya another chicken now. So sabi ko, kahit late na mamaya, uuwi na lang talaga kami. Aalis kami. Para, doon kami mag-meet sa ospital. Kasi yung tito ko, kung saan sana kami mag-sleep over. Pupunta din siya sa hospital. So, doon na kami mag-meet. So, nabihisan ko na yung mga kids. Aalis na lang kami. Nagdala ako nito kasi birthday ng tita ko last week. And then, I can feel that, you know, she's very sad. Kung ano yung mga...
I'm sad too.
Don't be sad. Nangyayari sa asawa niya ba? So, sabi ko, hopefully, a little bit makapag-lighten ng kanyang mood. So, ito yung regalo ko para sa kanya. Bag. It's little. Meron siyang strap sa loob. Actually, at first, sabi ko kay Ate Paris last week, sabi ko, ito yung ibibigay ko kay tita. Yung, ano siya, parang siyang visor ba? And then, nakita ko man to. Sabi ko, I think she like bag more. And then, Ate Paris naman, parang, ano, kurik. Sabi niya, what do you think she will like more? Do you think bag? Will she be more happy when she gets the bag or the visor? Sabi ko, I think it's a bag. And she said, then give her the bag. O, diba? Meron na akong decision. So, it's now 5:40 and kakapark lang namin dito sa labas ng hospital, guys. So, that's Queen Elizabeth Hospital. Oh, sorry, ate. Ito ay pakargaman. Ate is bitbiting the, the paper bag. Nak, do you wanna walk? Do you wanna walk? Who are we going to see?
Papa and Tita.
Who?
Nanay and Tita.
Nanay and tita?
Nanay and Tito Ren.
Tatay. Nanay and tatay. Nanay and tatay. Hindi pa kami nakapunta dito. So, we'll see saan tayo dadaan. That's the main entry there for sure. Yan yung main road dyan. Dito na kami sa loob. Pero, bili muna kami ng makakain. Huh?
What snack can I have?
Maybe you can have the almonds.
No, can I have true fruit?
What's that?
True fruit.
Fruit straps? You want some cookie lang? Cookie or the cheese and crackers? Cookie?
Can I have a cookie?
Yes, please.
Can I have a cookie?
Say yes, please, Mama.
Can I actually have a cookie too?
You want a cookie? Okay.
I'm just gonna get some water and a cookie from the vending machine. Right.
Water. It's a normal water, not the sparkling.
Here!
Huh?
It's here. That's water, Mama. Mommy, that's normal. That's normal. Other normal
That's
ones.
normal, yeah?
Mom, this is water. Mom, this is water. That's a delicious cookie. This
Here you go.
fell down.
Rub it now. Okay. Let's do it again. The cookie, yeah?
Another cookie.
Please connect your card to your mobile phone. Authorizing.
Authorizing. Oh. Okay, go opening me. Did you get it?
Mommy.
Go get it. Well done. The water as well, yeah? Where's the water?
Here.
The water is down there as well. At this. You got it? Good girl. We're going home. Actually, we're gonna get something to eat. Remember her? Hospital visits. Yeah, Celine? With Tatay?
No, tatay.
Yeah. See, we get like a set of muscles to carry Celine today. Nakapahinga ang kuan, ang muscles mama. Yes, ano. We're gonna go eat dinner somewhere.
Can we keep going?
Ay, look at this. Can you do this? Wala, okay lang eh. We're in Starbucks now, guys. We're having dinner here. And nakita namin na yung ibang mga friendship dito. So, ayan. May mga kalaro na yung mga kids. Ayan na. Ito, tita. That's Jethro. And... Kasi pangalan sa mo, mama? I'm gonna go there, guys. Let road time. May Filipino doon, Wales first store. Kaya lang, puno daw eh. Hindi kami makapasok. Dito kami sa kabila. Ay! Relax, girls, come on. Nak, we're gonna have pad thai lang. Noodles, chicken, yeah?
Wala, tita. Nasa ilalim.
Then, I'm gonna get some yummy coco salad. Hi, Sabi. Artista na yan. Saan? Mga artista ko na. Artistahin. Nini, girl. What are you doing? Careful with your head, please.
That's it. Oh, let me
Pad thai chicken and Ayan, bon appetit. Let's eat. Come on. We're gonna eat. Come on. Yummy! Ice cream time. Beep, butter them. Thank you. Oh, come down. Go to nanay. Go to nanay. Yeah, we're having some. Yeah, they have durian, guys. Durian flavor. Oh, pero tama. Tindog na ta. Ini, girl. Tignan niyo, oh. Hyper rin, nakakain ng ice cream. Time check, guys. It's 11:37. Ayan, kakarating lang namin dito sa bahay. So, Baby Celine, as expected, ay agad nakatulog sa sasakyan pagkapasok. Kasi very tired. Sobrang laro nila. Ang ating Ate Paris na nandito pa rin. Oh. Siga pa dyan po ng kalimutaw. Yeah, it's good. Did you have fun lang? I'm so full. The Thai food was so yummy. We ordered pad Thai, the somtam, like the papaya salad.
Last one was
so But yeah, and then we stayed there for a bit kasi nag-ice cream pa kami with the family. And then, yeah, nag-start ng goodbye. We'll see you next week kasi in-invite nila kami for birthday celebration for next week. Yeah, when we got here, inside, just kung makita nila ang mukha ni Louie. Grabe yung kanyang talon-talon ba. I'm so happy. Actually, I'm very happy with the decision na uuwi kami instead of mag-sleep over doon. Kasi, now I'm happy, I see, Louie, and that pa hindi ako mag-alala. But yeah, oh my God. The feeling na parang, mainiwan kang bata dito sa bahay, guys. Yeah. So, si Daddy Mike, yeah, always naman yung update niya. They were having dinner before. Nag-send siya kung ano yung kinakain nila. Sabi niya, miss you. Sabi niya, nag-send ako ng picture nito. Picture ng mga kids nag-ice cream. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, ayan, jealous, miss you. And then, nag-send siya. Ayan. Sabi niya, love you, still at pub. Nag-send siya ng picture ng kanyang mga friendship. Ayan. And then, tingnan niyo yung message niya para sa kanyang daddy.
Abby, I hope you have a good time with your friends tonight.
Iba rin sa Ate Paris, no? I hope you have a fun time with your friends tonight. Alright, ati. You sleep na to, ati. It's okay kasi wala naman kaming bukas. Diba, dapat sana punta ako ng yung market na pinupuntahan ko every Sunday. Bukas, naubusan na ako ng ticket. So, nung nag-check ako the other day, fully, parang naubos na yung ticket para sa stall ba. So, wala nang stall para sa akin. So, yung ginawa ko, nag-book ako for next Sunday. So, bukas free tayo. But, I have people coming also tomorrow to pick up bags. So, yeah. So, ngayon, maglinis-linis na ako dito sa bahay, guys. Kasi, medyo makalat si Louie. Saan na ang mga laruan ni Louie? Wala na. Ang mga t-shirt, wala na sa salog.
Hi, guys. Just doing my art project. This is gonna take about 2 days.
Art project. Just colored art project na. Saan na oras na? Pakita na. Pakita. Sige lang, art. Pakita ba?
What?
Sure. Bumalik ka lang sa pakita. Wait, aren't you sleepy?
No. I'm just going to break up like a little square. Then I'll make it into a diamond shape. This is gonna take a few days to be
What's
your
favorite part tonight, no?
What?
What's your favorite part?
Seeing the cousins. To me, before we went home,
Yeah.
ice cream. After doing the bottle flips and having the ice cream. I really like those bits. Cause when I did the bottle flip, like, I was so good. I got it all right. Well, I got some on their side. This is a chalk, and then I'll make it into a crystal. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So, I think it's probably 9 o'clock or 10.
It's 1 o'clock, honey.
1 o'clock, and we're gonna pick up Daddy because yesterday he left and he had a sleepover, and we're gonna pick him up now.
Yeah. So, his train will arrive at Cannon Hill at 1:15, so in 7 minutes. Are you excited to see Daddy, Lainey?
Yeah.
Yeah? You excited to see Daddy, Ate?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, look at my slime.
Let's go. Look who's here. Ang lagan, nakauli na si Doro the Explorer.
Daddy. Daddy.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Daddy nga lagan. Hi, Daddy. How's your night away from us?
Sad.
Ini Kerry. Kerry Daddy Agad dito kami sa Bunnings, guys. Wala kaming bibilhin mga tools.
That's my car, yeah?
Which one? The Ford?
Have a look at it.
Oh, wow, it looks like...
I want to get you $2.
Pupunta kami dyan. Bibili kami ng sausage. Yes.
I want to go to a $2
Oh, George, careful anak. There's
I
car
want to
behind
go
you.
to a $2 shop because I want to get some glitter
Okay, you hold this water then.
for my slime.
Ay, sus, po na siya sa slime. How about like get glitter for your nails?
My bag and my sister does it. So hi, Daddy. You gotta go cat. That way it's waving a sausage.
Mama?
I
Okay. Is Daddy getting you another one?
Yeah.
Sabi niya, lagyan ng sauce. Nilagyan ng sauce Daddy niya. Ayaw niya ngayon. Gusto niya walang sauce. Lamig, gini mo
I
lang.
don't understand the line again.